Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. My name is Kim and this is Dawn.
Hi.
She's gonna film my little... This is Dawn. She's gonna film my little project today. So we are at Destiny's Calling. There's her logo right there. And this is our second project. So what she did, she built some benches out of cinder blocks. And then we painted them black, and Loretta and Steve came and helped me on a Saturday. About 4 hours we were here painting cinder blocks. So I think we had over 46
wow.
cinder blocks.
Sorry, I missed that.
Bunch of cinder, and it was hot, like in the 90s. We were just sweating like crazy. But anyways, so, and then my husband came and he had to saw some of the 4x4s that make the bench down. So he sawed those for me, and then he actually glued the cinder blocks, and we formed a planter box on each end of the bench. So with all that said, we're gonna turn the camera around. And me and Dawn have been busy today planting.
Yes.
So she was so kind, because I couldn't get to the nursery on Saturday. Stowe's Nursery.
Nice.
Stowe's Nursery, they gave us, or donated, not to us, to Destiny's Calling, 2 topiary trees, right?
Yes.
And then we purchased 3 of the shrub boxwoods. So they're all boxwood. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to show you each plant and show you how gorgeous this project turned out. So this is our gorgeous planter boxes. So this is actually called a rail box. Did I get that right, Dawn?
You did.
A rail box, or it's called a hay rack or a planter box, but it fits real nice and tight on this rail. So we don't want to go in too much detail, but look at this gorgeous jazzberry with this gorgeous potato vine. And if you want to know more, you can watch my video. Now let's go to the benches.
Okay.
Look how gorgeous these shrub boxwoods are. They are so, so pretty. And these are sun impatiens, because this area gets a ton and ton of heat, so full sun. And then we had some gorgeous ivy here. This ivy will winter over and be a perennial for us. The sun patients will not. So when it comes in the fall, that's all she has to do is pull these out and put some impatiens in. But this little boxwood is just gorgeous. I could have pruned it up and made it into like a little bit neater ball, but Diana Lynn likes like free and flowing. That's what she really wanted. So I think it's gorgeous. We put 5 of the sun patients in here and 3 of the ivy in this box right here. In this box, like I said, it is inside, it's about 22 inches this way, and I think 16 inches that way, and we got a lot of depth. We put a cocoa liner in the very bottom to be able to contain it all, because it's just sitting right on concrete, and then all of this is glued down. So she had someone do this originally, but we painted it black. And then whoever else helped her before put the 4x4s in. She's going to come back and she's going to stain these, what did I say?
Walnut.
Walnut. So it's going to be really, really pretty. Walnut and black just looks classic, and it's going to be gorgeous. So this is stained natural right now, so it's going to be just a little bit darker, which I think is going to give us that big pop. And it will actually bring out this brown in our planter boxes too. So let me tell you the variety of this boxwood. You want to show them little kitty?
Yeah, so there happens to be a little stray kitty here.
Yeah.
And she has some kittens in somewhere around here, and she's been talking to us all
I
evening.
think she wants us to give her some food.
She does, and she wants water, and the store is closed, so I can't go in and give her any food or water. Oh, there she goes. That's what she does. She's sweet.
All right.
I hear you, Mama.
All right, so before it gets dark, let's go ahead and talk about This is the Spiral Green Mountain Boxwood right here, and it was a 5-gallon. And this is the approximate price, and these were donated from Stowe's. And Stowe's, we so appreciate you, and I'm sure Diana Lynn loves you. And I think this spiral boxwood right here on the corner just makes this area pop. It gives it a little bit of height. I like the structure of the spiral boxwood. It's just so cute. So this is a Green Mountain spiral. It gets 4 to 5 inches tall and 3 to 4 feet wide. Is that right? Yeah, spiral. Whoa, that's going to be a good
4 to 5 feet, not inches.
Yes. Thank you.
Because it's already bigger than 5 inches.
4 to 5 inches tall. So
Feet.
Why
Feet.
does it say inches?
It's a feet.
4 to 5 feet tall.
That's it.
There we go. And 3 to 4 feet wide. There we go.
But we're going to contain it into a spiral, so.
It says it does have small cream flowers, so I'm hoping that it's not going to smell since it does flowers. But I'm just going to pray about that. And then if you plant it in sun to part shade, so it'll do good either in sun or part shade. And then it has a dense, upright, evergreen topiary. Beautiful. We shaped it up, didn't we, Dawn?
We did. That one looks fantastic.
And we have the same sun patience in here. And the sun patients are called Compact Light. Right there.
Okay.
And I have no idea. It's just ivy. Didn't have a name.
It did not have a
We
name.
have 2 different types of ivy. We have this structure right here, and then one that looks a little bit more wiry, I guess is how you say it. A little bit different structure. And the sun patience and the ivy and the dirt was donated by King's Nursery.
And the cocoa
And
liners.
the cocoa liners. No, I bought the cocoa liners.
Oh, you bought the cocoa.
I had to buy the cocoa liners, but they had coupons,
yes.
and I got half off coupons.
That's
So
right.
you guys, if you're doing any kind of charity work, don't hesitate to ask, because a lot of people, especially even if it's a big box store, they still donated. Actually, Home Depot donated the black stain and our rollers.
Miss Kitty is
Whoa,
right
what you
here.
can smell?
Oh,
So they donated, actually they gave me half off the black stain and some different, and the rollers for it. And then King's Nursery gave us the sun patience, the ivy, and the dirt. And I got my cocoa liners that line the bottom half off. And then Stowe's donated these. So we got 2 that look the exact same. These benches look the exact same. And then we got this topiary, this spiral topiary.
and a very loud car.
Yes. And still the gorgeous flowers. Now these color, this lilac, you wouldn't even think it looks lilac, but it matches our jazzberries, if you have not noticed that.
Mm-hmm.
And Dawn, it complements her logo, right? Destiny's Calling.
The pink right there.
Yes. All right.
Yes.
So then on this other end, we just repeated the same thing. This is just more of a shrub boxwood. This is the wiry ivy that we bought too. They actually did not have all the same color, so I had to go with a little bit different variation. But it will still winter over, and it's still going to be gorgeous. And then to tie it all in, she wanted to do this planter box as well. And we're going to show you what it looks like from the road. So the same shrub, I think these were 4 gallon, 5 gallon shrubs.
7 gallon.
7 gallon
And one was a
shrub.
10 gallon shrub.
So it's got wonderful roots. It's going to be awesome. And it's got plenty of room to grow down into. And then the more wiry ivy is what I call it. And then the gorgeous sun patience too. Lilac. They're all lilac. So Dawn, let's show them what it looks like from the road.
Okay.
So Diana Lynn's going to pull up. And she has not seen this yet.
She has
and
not.
She's going to be so excited.
Because this is where she's going to come in, right here.
So we're going to turn the camera around.
This is what I came into this morning. Kim and Dawn were out here last night doing the planter boxes, and they look spectacular. Oh my golly, I love them. The boxwoods are gorgeous. The ivy is beautiful, and it looks, I know they're not impatiens, but hey, I'm not the artist. Kim Priestess from Backyard Blooms with Kim is the artist, and we just love them. Oh my golly, they are fabulous. And look at these gorgeous topiaries. We're here, oh, by the way, we're here at Destiny's Calling Resale Treasures and More here in Clover, South Carolina, 702 Kings Mountain Street. Look at these topiaries. They are going to be gorgeous as they grow up. Sorry for the background noise, guys, but they are working on the street here doing some work. So there they are. And then they put another boxwood here. And again, look, I showed you these yesterday. Look how much more they have grown today. They are amazing. And again, if you haven't checked out Kim's YouTube, you absolutely need to do that because she is phenomenal. They've done a great work out here transforming the patio. Today, I'm hoping that we're going to do another patio sale. So come out and see us, 702 Kings Mountain Street, Clover, South Carolina. We're here from 10 to 4 today, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Come check us out. All kinds of new things in the store. We hope to see you soon. Thanks.
So I hope this video was inspirational. I hope you learned a little bit, and get out and do some charity work, Dawn. Makes you feel great, right?
It
So
does.
yes, even though it was a lot of hard work, probably
lots
about
of hours.
yeah, 5 to 6 days of hard work, but it was so worth it. If you have not seen my video on the rail boxes, I just got that video out right before this one, so make sure you watch that. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for my video, and make sure you go to the Facebook page and follow Destiny's Calling as well. And if you have anything that you want to donate, bring them to your store. If you live here close to Charlotte, North Carolina, I'll have all the details in the description for you, so you can either donate or you can drop by. Right, Dawn?
Yep.
Did I miss anything else?
No, I think we've got it.
All right. Bye, friends.
Bye.